In this video, we'll be taking a look at the next tool that we have. So let's tap into edit mode. So the next tool that we have after the extrusion tool is insetting. So insetting lets us inset faces, and you'll see in a second what it means. So let's go to the face selection mode, select this top face, and to use this tool, we use keyboard shortcut I. And as soon as I do that, you can see that it lets me inset the face. So it lets me add more data. Now, if you look in the top left corner, we have some controls that we can use with this tool. So if I hold down Control key, you can see that it lets me control the depth. And then we have the outset feature. So the way this outset feature works is that if I complete this first inset and then I start doing another inset, and then I want to go sort of beyond that first inset that I added. So you can see that it's blocked, but if I enable the outside by pressing O, you can see that it lets me do that. So I can sort of add new inset outside of the previous one. So I can turn that off again. So I'll press Ctrl Z to undo these. Let's start insetting again. The next option that we have is called boundary. So to explain that, the way boundary works is that we have to remove this face at the bottom. So I'll go ahead and delete that. And now that there's no connected face with this one, and let's say that I'm insetting this by pressing I, you can see that it's creating a face at the bottom. So in this case, I don't want to use that there because I want to create a door in this area. So that's where you can turn off the boundary feature. And you can see how that sort of changes the behavior of the tool. And just like that. Now for this feature to work, make sure there's no face down there. And maybe then I can sort of extrude this inwards to create a door. I'll go ahead and press Ctrl Z. And the final feature that we have is called individual. So I'll go ahead and cancel out of that. So if I select all three faces like here, and then we press I to inset, you can see that it's insetting all of these connected. Also, I'm going to turn off the boundary feature by pressing B key. So you can see that it's a connected inset. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to press I for individual. And just like that, you can see I can individually control these, and then I can confirm that, and maybe then we can combine it with extruded long face normals, and just like that, you can see we were able to create this crate like within a second. So that's how you can use this inset tool in Blender.